Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful doily coaster. You just need to know how to crochet a ring and a treble crochet. This is so easy and you can make it for different things. So let's go to see how to crochet this. For the first round I'm going to make a slip knot, so I put the hook here between my finger and then turn and then yarn over and make just one slip knot here. Then we need chains. We need 5 chains, so this is 1 chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I put the hook here in the first chain between these 2 loops and yarn over and make 1 slip knot here, slip a stitch here. Now I have this ring. For the next round we need 5 chains again, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then make treble crochet. So put the yarn under this hook 3 times and go to this center of this ring and then yarn over and make treble crochet. Now I have treble crochet here. Repeat again 3 times. Go to the center of this ring and yarn over with 2 of these loops like this. Again 1, 2 and 3, yarn over like this. We need 17 of this treble crochet into this ring, so keep continuous until you have 17 of this treble crochet. Now I complete this and I have 17 treble crochet here into this ring. Then I put the hook in 5 chains exactly here and make a slip stitch. Then we need 2 chains and we must do decrease, so we need double crochet but decrease, so we must 2 of them crochet 2 of them together. So I put the hook in the next stitch, and when I was here again I put the hook in the next stitch, and when 2 of these loops together I have 3 loops here, so I crochet this together. Again put the hook in the next stitch like this and go to the next stitch and make it like this and all of them together. So you must continue this until you finish this round. Like this. When you finish this round, you must put the hook in the second chain and make a slip stitch. Then we need again to decrease, so I make just 1 chain and put the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, keep them, then again put the hook in the next stitch and yarn over. When we have 3 loops here, all of them together, and again put the hook in the next stitch, keep it, repeat and together. So we must continue this until we finish this round. Okay, now we finished this, so I put the hook in the first stitch exactly here and make a slip stitch. Then cut the yarn, and now you have this shape here. Then we use a needle and try to fix it, all of them together. Again, repeat. And then hide the yarn between this stitch and cut the yarn. Now I have one of these, so you must make it in just one color or different color like this, as you can see, and then use the needle and the yarn to fix it together with yarn and needle. Fix it together like this, then it's prepared for use it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.